Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to jump right on into things and I'm cleaning off my brows first. And then I'm going to come in with this step 1 and apply it to my brows using this little cotton swab that came in the kit. I'll make sure that I link this kit in the description box for you guys. Y'all can see I have very sparse brows, y'all. And, I became a victim of those thin brows back in the 2000s. And I decided to use this tint, or I don't want to call it tint. It's like a serum at night. So I've been using that, and I feel like it has been helping them, a little bit. Very little. But anyways, I applied that cream thoroughly. I actually went a little overboard. Basically, y'all, if you didn't know, this is just relaxer. I don't know why they try to be fancy with it. But I brush it through and then I come through one more time just to smooth it out a little bit and make sure that I have those hairs in place. Now for me, this method works for me because it makes my brows look a lot fuller than what they really are. And so after I get it how I want it, I apply this little plastic stuff that came in an old kit. And then I waited for, I think, about 8 minutes. And if your client feels uncomfortable or you feel uncomfortable, wipe that mess off. Do not sit there and be miserable, especially when you have thin hair or very sensitive skin. So just wipe it off really good. And then once you get it all the way off, then you come in with step 2. And on step 2, you're going to pretty much do the exact same thing to your brows. So once I got that stuff on my brows good and saturated and got them kind of where I wanted them, I went ahead and put the plastic on it again. And this time I think I waited for like 6 or 7 minutes and then I wiped it off. They have directions in the box, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I really kind of don't be reading them all the time just because when you do something so much, y'all know. So I wipe it all the way off really good and y'all can kind of see what my brows are looking like. I'm feeling good about them so far. I'm feeling like, so then I come in with the step 3-1. And basically this is like, it's just the nourishment. I pretty much think that it's like liquid lotion. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Maybe neutralizer. I'm not sure, but honestly, I think step 2 is neutralizer. I think step 3 is just moisturizer, like conditioner. But after this, y'all, I do feel like my brows felt like a cooling sensation, which was much appreciated. Because I'm not going to lie, at this point, my eyebrows were a little irritated. All right, y'all, so I'm wiping it off, and this is the final result of this kit, and I actually like it. I will give this kit probably an 8 out of 10. This is probably one of the better ones I found on Amazon. I just feel like it was made for you to have multiple uses without a mess. So everything comes in little packs and I really like that. So there y'all go. Y'all see my little baby brows. But stay tuned for part 2 in the next video. I'm going to tint them. So if you want to see how I do that, go ahead and click the little box below. And don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video. And I will see y'all on the next one. Thanks for watching.